My name is Tom Lowers, and I'm the owner of BirdBrain Technologies, which is a company that specializes in creating educational robotics. The Finch robot is designed for computer science education at the introductory level from elementary school through college. The aim was to provide a number of kind of interesting novel inputs and outputs for these programs that students write, so that it's more than just graphics on a screen. It's basically a small robot that should make programming, computer science, computing activities more fun and engaging for most students. The Hummingbird Robotics Kit is a kit of parts. It's kind of the guts of a robot, you could think of it that way. It's got motors, lights, sensors, and a controller board. And the idea is that you provide the building materials, which are typically craft materials like cardboard, foam core, feathers, pipe cleaners, really anything that you've got laying around. And you use the kit parts and those craft materials to build an interesting interactive robot. Our focus is really on not just creating these products, but also putting out assignments, curricula, teacher trainings, etc. to make it so that a teacher can use our products to sort of enhance the curriculum from the elementary through college level. The Hummingbird, it's designed around the idea of supporting crafts and design and engineering design, and also programming. What we've seen is that teachers have used it in just a huge number of different types of classes. A teacher used it in an anatomy class, where the students designed arms, where they used the Hummingbird to control the motion of the arm. A teacher used the Hummingbird as part of a poetry unit, and the students developed a kind of an interactive diorama. So, it had motors and lights, and each group of students took a famous poem and they created this diorama around the poem.
Fire and Ice by Robert Frost. Some say the world will end in fire. Some say in ice. From what I've tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire.
My PhD work at Carnegie Mellon involved the design of both of these products. I took computer science AP in high school and hated it. That kind of led me for many years to avoid computer science classes. If it had been presented differently, I would have liked it, and I started learning it at that point. In some ways, I'm maybe trying to redesign it because I didn't like it. I think it could be better. This is a one-person company, so I'm basically bootstrapping this. I don't think I can do that and maintain my lifestyle in most other places. So, I actually came from the Bay Area, I grew up there. If I went back there, I couldn't have done this in the same way. The community here is really strong with respect to robotics and also with respect to entrepreneurship.